Okay, so we are going to walk through how to create a new job family from scratch. And we do have our job family written already. We just need to get it added into the system. So what we will do is go to gitlab.com and then click on the projects dropdown. In my frequently visited, but you can also search for it, the gitlab.com project. You'll click on that. And then you will go into source, and you'll go into source. I think of it as anything that's like the source of truth is in here. So like the handbook, job families, things like that. So that's how I personally remember it. So then you'll go into job families, and then the job family we need to make is within the People Ops group. So we'll click here. And then once we are in here is when we'll click on this plus drop down. And then my audio sounds a little funny.
Yeah, you froze a little bit, but I think we got the gist of it. You click on the plus sign for
Okay.
new.
Cool. Okay, so click on this and then new directory. And oh wait, I lied. I'm gonna do new file. And then you will do, there is this page in the handbook for your reference as well. So you should be able to insert something in this format. So it would be, since you're already in the People Ops group, you should be able to just do the title and then / index.html.md. And then what I would recommend is going over to this job families page, and there's a template here for a new job family. And I would copy it from the bottom, or from the top to the bottom, and paste it in here because it's formatted how you need it, and then you can just go in and edit what you need to edit. So right here, you'll change the title to whatever your title is. In this case, it's Recruiting Operations Coordinator. And then, like I said, we have this job description written already, so that is great. This is where it goes, insert brief description of the role here, and you'll delete everything, including the brackets, and insert what you need. I'm gonna do soft wrap so that we can see it all a little better. And then responsibilities, go ahead and just copy paste everything over. Finance. Performance indicators. At this point, we don't have different.
Leave the performance indicators off so we can show what happens when it breaks.
Oh, yes, great point. Okay, and at this point, we don't have different levels or specialties as well, so we will delete this. And then performance indicators are required, like April said, but I'm gonna erase this, and then you can see what happens when the pipeline fails. Because it should fail if we don't include this in there.
performance indicators and hiring process are both required.
Yes. And then I will go ahead and put this in there. Cool. So that's what we need to do, and we will okay. Should have everything in here, and the pipeline will fail because we didn't include something we had to. We'll commit. Go ahead and add in here. Oh, I probably need to delete all of this, huh?
Yeah, that's okay though.
Um,
And then do you want to tag Brittany on the commit message there so
Yep.
that she can, Brittany, who is on the compensation and benefits team,
mhm.
that way she knows to add. And so Sid, who is our CEO, has to merge all job families. You're going to assign it to me for right now because we on purpose broke it. But once we fix it, then we'll reassign it to Sid. And then we have to ask him to merge it in Slack just to get his eyes on it.
Yes, perfect. Awesome. So we will go ahead and hit submit merge request. And the pipeline will run. It will take a little bit for it to fail. Okay, so on the job family that we tried, the new job family that we tried to add, you can see now that the pipeline has ran that it failed. So if you want to see what caused it to fail, you can click on this. I just do open new tab. And then it should show you in here the reason why it failed. So you can go into failed jobs and see so here it will say it's also missing ability to use GitLab in the job family format. So we can go in here. And we also need to add the key performance indicators or the performance indicators that we left out before to also make it fail. So you can go to changes. And then in here, let's see. I think someone already came in and added ability to use GitLab. So we will add in the performance indicators here. Oops. Close this tab out. So these should be format them to be bulleted. And then, yeah, like I said, it has ability to use GitLab, so we should be okay there. and then hit commit changes. And this will make our pipeline rerun with these additional changes and adding in the performance indicators and making sure it has ability to use GitLab in the requirements should make this pipeline run successfully. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to someone in the recruiting team and they should be able to assist you with this.